Hey guys, welcome back to Mayuka's Crafts. So today's video is a craft video. As you can see, there are butterflies over here. So today we're going to be learning how to make these three kinds of butterflies. So let's see how to make them. So to make this butterfly, we only require an origami paper. There's no sticking in this. So if you don't have an origami paper, you can cut out a 15 centimeter square from a A4 size paper. So the first step is we'll fold the paper diagonally. Like this. And again do on the other diagonal. Now open it again and fold it side to side. And the other sides too. So now we got a center point. Now we're gonna put the center point up and fold it near this line. Put this inwards and this like this. Now repeat the same thing. Fold this inwards and this outwards. So now we get this triangle that looks like this. Now we're gonna fold it further into a triangle again. We're going to take a scissors and we're going to curve this side like this. Now it's going to look like this. Now you're going to open it again. Flip it like this. Now you're going to take this and fold it a little cross, not aligned to the line, just a little cross. And you have to repeat the same again, like this on the other side. Then it should look like this. Next, we're going to take this part from the back and bring it a little above, fold it inwards like this. Now you know there's a middle line right here, so we're gonna fold it on that middle line and catch it like that. So now it's gonna stay like that, and this is how your butterfly will look. So the things we require to make the second butterfly are any kind of glue, the liquid one or the stick, a 15 into 15 size paper or an origami paper, and a thin strip of paper. So now first we're going to fold it into half like this, and then we're going to cut it out like this. Now take the first half and again fold it into half. Then fold the upper triangles like this. So they have to form triangles when you fold the corners inward. Now repeat the same thing on the second side. Like this. Now we have to do fan folding over here. Like this. Now we're going to fold it in half and then spread it out a bit like this. Now we're going to keep this aside. Now take the next piece of paper and just do fan folding on it. like this. Now again fold it in half and then spread the sides. So this is going to be the bottom half of the butterfly and that is going to be the top half. So we have to join them together. So what we're going to do is apply glue on this and then just stick it. And press it properly so that it sticks tight. Now again make them proper, make the wings proper. So as the middle won't stay, we're going to take this thin strip of paper and we're going to attach it. So apply a little glue right there. Put this piece of paper and rotate it around and make sure it's tight. When it comes to the end, again apply some glue and stick it like that. Now just again adjust the wings properly. You can adjust them by just pulling near to each other and they will come. So hold it like this for some time and when you leave them, it should become like this, and this is your second butterfly. So the things we require to make the third butterfly are this strip which is 2 by 7 centimeter, this strip that is 2 by 6 centimeter, this strip that is 6 by 10 centimeter, any kind of glue, a stick or liquid, scissors and a scale. So first how we're going to do it is fold both of these into half. Then we're going to draw a curve on the end. You're gonna align both of them and cut the curve. Like this. So both of them will get a curve now. And they should look like this. So these are templates. Now we're going to take the second paper. We're going to fold it in half like this and another half like this. Next, we're going to measure 1 centimeter on the middle and draw a line of 1 centimeter right there. Then we're going to draw curves on both of these, but this one should touch this line, not the top line. Now next we're going to take this fold like this. Then we're going to cut out the curves. So it should look like this after you're done cutting. Next step is that you have to take a scale, place it at 2 centimeter on the middle, and then take your scissors and trace it like this, 2 centimeters on each side. You're going to get a line. Now do the same over here. So 2 centimeters on each side. You can see this line right here. Now next we're going to take the small strip, place it right here in the middle of the bottom side. Then I'm just going to take a pen and we're going to trace this. like this. Now take the bigger strip again, place it in the middle and trace this too. Like this. Now the next step is that we take our scissors, take one point of it and then do this. You're going to trace the lines with the scissors. We're going to do it for both of them. Like this. Next, we're going to fold these tracings outwards. Like that. Even on the curves. The curves are going to be a little hard, so you can trace it again once or twice using the scissors to make the bend better. I'm going to again trace it because my curves didn't come that nice. Just make sure that you don't trace it too hard because then the paper might tear. So we're just going to press it like that. Now repeat it on the bottom one too. Press along all the traces that you've made with the scissors. I'm going to even do these curves again. Now the next step is to take the foldings and join them together like this. And even these foldings should be there, these lines right there. Like this. Now make sure the curves come properly. Now you're going to keep it like this. Open it again. Now as you've got the folds properly, you're going to apply glue like this in the middle on both the sides and stick them together this time. And hold them tight so that they stick better. Now you can take the long template and cut a strip out of it. Now apply glue to the strip and put it right in the center. Like this. Now this is how your butterfly is supposed to look. If you made these lines with a pencil, then you can just erase them after you trace them with the scissors so that it looks more neat. Or you can fold it to the other side so that the marks are not visible. So this is how your butterfly should look. So this butterfly is a little tough to make, so you're gonna have to have some practice to make it. So these are the 3 butterflies. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See you then. Bye. So this is the previous riddle and now I'm telling you the answer. So the triangle is 15 and the rectangle is 5. So you can find this by making a mathematical equation. So when this is 15 and this is 5, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the answer is 3. And today's riddle is this one. It is a riddle. It is a shower without water. Everyone goes through the shower or takes the shower. What is it? Comment down your answers.